Read.
Sarah Leo's cute puppy.
Again.
Sarah Leo's cute puppy.
Sarah Liu's cute puppy. Okay, 2 boxes.
I am Sarah Liu.
Lagi sekali.
I am Sarah Liu. I'm Sarah Liu.
I'm Sarah Liu. Another 2 boxes. Next. Kakak. Nanti teacher suruh ibu ambil adik nanti.
My family has just moved into our new house on Elm Avenue.
Okay. My family has just moved into our new house on Elm Avenue. Another 2 boxes. Next.
We plan to have a few friends over for a barbecue.
We plan to have a few friends over for a barbecue. Okay. Another 2 boxes. Next.
I just love barbecues.
I just love barbecues. Okay, another 2 boxes. Next.
Hot dogs, burger, and apple juice with lots of ice cubes.
Ni apa dia?
Burgers.
Okay, hot dogs, burgers, and apple juice with lots of ice cubes. Okay, 2 box. Alright, finish.